Hello, I'm Dr. Garrett Bodie, chiropractor right here in Oldsmar, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about some of the common causes of neck pain. Neck pain can be caused by several different things, and some of the common causes are herniated disc, pulled muscle or torn ligament, tearing of the actual disc itself, simple misalignment of the vertebra. There can also be some more severe causes such as tumors, cancers, or infections. Now these last three we don't see very often in chiropractic, but if someone does come in with these problems, we can diagnose them and make sure they get to the proper doctor as soon as possible. Getting back to some of the most common causes, like we had discussed, herniated disc, pulled muscle, torn ligament, misalignment in a vertebra, all of these problems can be encompassed within another problem called whiplash. Whiplash is something that we see in patients who have been involved or are suffering after a car accident. Car accidents and whiplash cause an accelerated movement of the head forward and back faster than the body is able to adapt or handle. This causes muscle tearing and ligament tearing in the front and back of the spine. It can also cause some of these herniated discs and pulled muscles that we were talking about. If you feel that you have any of these problems after a car accident, don't wait. See a doctor of chiropractic as soon as possible. Leaving these type of conditions untreated can make a difference in a condition lasting a couple of weeks or something that you're left with to deal with, for the rest of your life. Some of the common symptoms that we see with different types of injuries help us to identify what type of problem we're dealing with in chiropractic. Usually a dull, achy pain is seen with things such as joint problems, joint dysfunction, or joint misalignment. Other dull types of pain can come from muscle pulls or ligament tears. However, with muscle pulls, you also often see spasms within those muscles that tend to exaggerate the problem. A third cause can be those herniated discs. A herniated disc has a specific type of pain because it not only affects soft tissue, the disc itself, but it typically will also affect your central nervous system. By compressing or irritating this central nervous system, your body is going to experience a different kind of pain. It's usually a very sharp, pointed, or acute type of pain that becomes very intense. And with disc injuries, we often see a radicular type of pain that radiates down into an arm or into a leg. Now, if we're dealing with the neck, it's typically radiating into the arm. These types of problems can be helped tremendously through chiropractic care. And if you feel you are suffering from any of these problems, call us today at Bodie Chiropractic. We can get you started with your care and make sure we get you back on the road to health. Thank you. And again, I'm Dr. Garrett Bodie, chiropractor right here in Oldsmar, Florida.